Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing to us for more videos like this, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Instagram oops an error occurred problem. If you're suffering this problem, there might be many causes to it, and today I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. So if you're using Instagram and this problem arises, what you might do, the first thing you might do, very obvious, is make sure that you're connected to a really good solid network connection. If you're not connected to the Wi-Fi, you can also use your data and make sure that your cell connection is really good, otherwise this error might occur. And for that, you might just open your Google Chrome and load any website, or go to another app and load that app. And if the app's not working, you know that it's a network problem, then you need to make sure that your connection is stable and solid. And another thing you can do if this error is occurring is just make sure you are restarting the app. So just restart the app. So once you restart the app, this problem might just go away on its own. Another thing that you can also do is go to your Play Store or App Store, and here you will search for your Instagram app. And here, if you have any update, if you're really an outdated, older version of Instagram, this error might occur more often. So make sure you're updated to the latest version of Instagram because older versions are very buggy. So another problem, if none of this works out for you, another thing that might also happen is if you might check on the internet that Instagram servers might be down. Sometimes the Instagram servers are down for maintenance, and sometimes there's some problem with the app itself, and they might be working on it. So while that happens, all you can do is just wait it out, wait for them to solve the problem for you. And that time you can just see things on Twitter, or you can contact your friends, and their Instagram might not be working too, and that at that time you know that it's the Instagram server is down. If none of this works out for you, consider also uninstalling and reinstalling the app. So to uninstall, you just tap on the app for some time, and you get this uninstall button here, and you'll uninstall the app and you'll reinstall it, and hoping that this problem will go away. And by this time, you know, your problem is probably already fixed. And if this does not work out, try rebooting your phone, restarting your phone. Make sure that your phone is updated, your phone's operating system OS is updated too. And with this, this problem will most probably go away. There's still no guarantee. Sometimes it's not working. So any of these solutions might work out for you. So please try all that. Leave a comment down below if any of those worked out, and also if it did not. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helps you, and I'll see you in the next one.